So I was on Facebook and I saw somebody had commented under one of those like HelloFresh videos about Everyplate. I said, okay, let me give Everyplate a try. And I saw that they had quite a few meals, quite a nice amount of meals that you could choose from. And it was only $5 a serving. So now this is what it looks like. And, oh, okay. Oh, wait, hold on. I gotta do the thumbnail real quick. Hold on. Alright, now that that's done, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl Imani here. I'm back for another video, and I hope that you guys are enjoying me in my Cosby sweater. I feel like I'm channeling my inner Vanessa Huxtable. I don't know what y'all think. Or like I'm an extra on a show. What y'all think? So if you clicked on this video, then you know what we're doing today. We are unboxing my Everyplate delivery that I just got for the first time today. I'm really excited. I keep looking at it because I'm just like so excited to open you and to cook you. Oh my gosh. I just wanted to share a little bit about why I got it, because some people think that, like, I guess if you get one of these things, you're like lazy meal prepping service. I don't know. I am lazy though, but we're gonna get into that. But before we do, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, whether you're subscribed or not, well, you should be subscribed because we just talked about it. But you're gonna hit that post notification button, that bell, so that you're notified every time I make a new video. So let's see if we can get this video to 30 likes. Leave a comment below if you have ever tried one of these services and how you like it. Leave a comment if you've tried this service before and if you would do it again, or if you're still doing it. And let's just get right into this video. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. So like I said, I just ordered this meal prepping delivery service, meal planning delivery service. I'm really not sure what it's called, but y'all know what I'm talking about. It's pretty much like HelloFresh or Blue Apron. Y'all know what I'm talking about, right? I always wanted to order one of those just to see what it's like, and because as a single mom and it's just the two of us in the house and juggling, working full-time, trying to hit the gym, all the other obligations that I have to do on top of being a mom, it's really hard, like really hard to make a nice dinner that we don't get bored with Monday through Friday, especially when the earliest we get home is about 6 to 6:15, and it's just really hard. It's hard to make something that will be enjoyable, one that I won't get bored with, because I get bored with food so easy, and so does AJ. Cost effective, because we tend to order out because of that a lot, and that is not cost effective. Your girl is broke. My pockets hurt. Like, I feel my pockets and they hurt. So I always wanted to try like the meal prepping services, but honestly, with the other ones, it's way too expensive. It's like $10 a serving, and like, let's get real, that is as if I'm ordering out almost every day, or, you know, buying lunch instead of making it. So I'm like, that's not, versus grocery shopping and just trying to make it work, it's not really worth it. So I was on Facebook and I saw somebody had commented under one of those like HelloFresh videos about Everyplate. I said, okay, let me give Everyplate a try. And I saw that they had quite a few meals, quite a nice amount of meals that you could choose from, and it was only $5 a serving. I'm like, $5 a serving? That's less than if I were to go out to eat for lunch every day, or, you know, of course, ordering out. It's only slightly more expensive than if I grocery shop. However, because it's just me and my 3-year-old son, who barely eats a full portion anyway, it would actually be saving us some money, because I can take some of the servings to work for lunch. So I was down, you know, I'm actually saving a little bit of money, because then all I gotta do is grocery shop for breakfast stuff for us, and during the week we don't eat that much breakfast here anyway, you know, so we just get something light on the way. So yes, a few people have made fun of me because they're like, oh, that's lazy, this, that, and the third. You know what? If it makes me lazy, then I'm lazy. I know I'm lazy. It's alright. But anyway, I'm really excited to try this. I'm really excited to have like different meals every week, almost every day of every week. And not to mention, I'm saving some coins. Girl, save those coins. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing, shall we? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, okay. Careful, guys. Ooh, it's sharp. The blade done fell out. This is why I told my son that he couldn't come out here, because I had a feeling this thing is breaking on me. Alright, I'm gonna have to throw that out. The bring you guys like in here with me real quick. So as soon as I open this box, I get this Everyplate nutritional info, and I guess these are the 3 meals that I chose this week, and it's based off how many servings I got. I actually got the 4 servings per meal just to see like how much is in there, and then I'm gonna switch it back down to the 2 servings per meal. So this is just the nutritional info. So I got the easy chicken and pepper fajitas. I got the ancho cherry glazed pork chops. I did? I don't even remember. And I got Greek burgers. No, I didn't. I thought I got something else. Oh, actually no. It gave me for all the meals that they made, that they have this week. So this is the other side. Roasted bell pepper and balsamic steak. So the next thing I see is, oh, so these are the actual meals that I got. So I ordered the balsamic steak, and they show what they send with it. And I got the ancho cherry glazed pork chops, and I got the chicken pepper fajitas. Oh, and on the bottom it shows you like what you'll need for the recipe. So these are all the things that they sent, and then this is what I'm going to need for the recipe. Oh, and then on the back it is the recipe for the meal. Dope. And what is this? So welcome to Everyplate. Aw, let's see. Hungry, da 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 da. Okay, so this is just kind of like a little brochure. I'll read that later. So now this is what it looks like. And oh, okay. Okay now, alright. So I got all my little ingredients here. Let's see. Chip out. I guess these are like, okay. And everything's like super cold. It was wrapped in this like, I guess, dry ice thing. So everything is still like really, really cold. What's this? Alright, so I'm gonna have to like really look through this, but I'm a little surprised that the vegetables aren't just like wrapped up, but I don't know. How did y'all stuff come out if you've done one of these services before? So I had to put this on the floor in order to show you guys, because it was like hard to get up there with the camera. But on the bottom of the dry ice is all the different meats that I need. And then there's more ice on the bottom. I'm going to make our first meal. I don't even know what first meal I'm gonna make, but I'm not gonna record that because I get anxiety when people watch me cook. So y'all just gonna have to see it when I'm done. I'm gonna show you guys what the servings actually look like, and hopefully this was worth it. Let's see. Let's see. This is the finished product, you guys. It actually took me a lot longer than the time said it was going to, but that is kind of my fault because new recipes intimidate me. And AJ has his. I can't show you him because he is not clothed. Does anybody else have like a child who just loves to take his clothes off? But this is his plate, and it's not even a full serving. And right now he's just eating his bruschetta. I think that's how you bruschetta. So he's eating that right now, and it seems like he likes it. You like it? Yeah? Good. So this is mine, and I have plenty, guys. So I still have all of this zucchini left.
I want another one.
And I still have all of this steak left. So I have plenty to take home, to take to work with me. This is the 4 serving meal, so as if it was a family of 4. But I think I'm going to feel confident enough to go for the family of 2, and still have at least one more meal. 2 goes like that. And have enough to have for leftovers for lunch. This was just kind of a test run, especially since I got it for half off for my first order. So let me taste it. All right. Well, AJ says he likes it. Let's see.
So you like it and you like your food? Then try your food. If you do try it and she loves it. Good. So she loves it and I love mine.
That sauce is really good. I'm gonna try some of the bruschetta. I don't know how you pronounce it.
The sauce is good. Let me see. I've tried it, and my mommy just tried it, and now it's my turn.
And the zucchini.
Yeah, I know.
Everything is really good. I'm really happy. I think unless I get the like some discounts or something, I'm gonna switch down to the two family meal. The 2 family meal just to save some money, but I am very happy with my purchase. So if you guys ever wanted to do some type of meal planning service, I definitely would recommend Everyplate. I am not being sponsored, by the way, to make this video. Bought this with my own money. Yeah, nobody asked me to do this video either, so I'm really liking what I got. I think I'll stick with it for quite some time. I have a link in the description box below of how you can go and order your first box. And if you use my code, again, nobody asked me to do this. You just get a code when you join. But when you use my code, I believe you get $20 off and I get $20 off. I'm not sure how that works. I'll explain it in the description box below. If you like this video, again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm going to wrap this up because I want to eat. This was really good. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Put that bell notification on so that you can be notified every time I make a new video. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and I will see y'all for my next one. Alright, I gotta go. Bye. Bye. And do you like your food?
Yes.